welcome to another video. Today I'll show you how to remove the rear wiper arm. We start by removing this cover here. Just pull it like this. With a 13mm socket, we remove this nut here. Then we need a special press or like a bearing puller like this one. We attach these arms here on the side, and here the middle gonna be here on the screw. Put them like this. So it looks like it went out easy. We get a new arm. Put the nut back. And put the new blade on. So if you're changing just the blade, you just attach it here. In case you're changing just the blade, just push it from the inside like this. Comes out. Put it back. Do like this. Put the cover back on. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos and see you on the next one.